Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying ratings and safety items so the hookup is safe. Confirm hitch class matches the trailer. Once done, chock the trailer wheels and set the truck parking brake so nothing rolls. You lower the trailer tongue jack to roughly the hitch height, make minor adjustments while you back the truck. Use a spotter or backup camera to keep the truck centered behind the coupler and stop with the hitch ball directly under the coupler before proceeding. You lower the coupler straight onto the ball, feeling for a solid seating. Once it seats, close the latch and insert the locking pin or bolt to prevent accidental opening. Then you connect the trailer electrical plug 7-pin or 4-pin, securing the clip and testing brake lights, turn signals and running lights so visibility and braking signals are confirmed. Next, cross the safety chains beneath the tongue and attach them to the frame mounts, and hook up the breakaway cable to the tow vehicle. You finish by raising the tongue jack fully and securing its handle so nothing contacts the road, then double-check coupler pin, hitch nut torque, and safety chain hooks. Make sure tongue weight sits in the safe range and that load distribution and tire pressures are correct before moving. Once done, perform a slow test drive with several gentle stops and turns to verify stability. If lights fail, check the plug pins and ground wire first. Clean and tighten connections, then retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.